Lexington Urban County Council members organized a listening session tonight and got an earful. People living in the East End told them they're overwhelmed by the number of homeless people in the area.
Georgia MacArthur was at the meeting and reports on the common complaints and suggested solutions.
It's more than just a problem of being homeless. Everybody's a paycheck from being homeless. The way everything is rising.
This was a chance for homeless people to talk to city leaders and community members in the East End. Conversations meant to help the two sides better understand each other.
I've had an apartment and the rent went from $500 to $900. And I'm like, I can't pay that. There's no way.
Councilmember Tana Fogel listened to people who told devastating stories about the effects of the high cost of living and education and the consequences of eviction.
And don't think that this is falling on deaf's ear. This is true to my heart. I used to be homeless. I know what that's like. I used to jump in dumpsters to collect cans to just feed myself and my child.
Some of the concerns focused on unhoused people who appear to be mentally unstable, as well as complaints about panhandling, people sleeping in common areas, and fears about safety.
Me and my husband have been homeless for over 36 months in the last 4 years. We've currently had to ship our children to a completely different state because of financial issues. It's not all substance use problems, it's not all mental health, it's financial.
The New Life Day Center, a daytime shelter, offered its solutions to help the problem.
First thing that we're trying to do is to create a space behind our building that is very welcoming to people who are unsheltered and homeless.
But Neighborhood Watch Group President Jim Burton says that is not enough.
Day shelters should be open 7 to 7, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., 7 days a week. Night shelters should be open 7 days a week. And if they receive any type of taxpayer funding, we should go to council, we should go to the state, we should go to the federal government and make sure that we have enough resources to maintain these.
City council members vowed to keep working on the problem. It's believed there are more than 2,000 homeless people living in the city. In Lexington, Georgia MacArthur, Fox 56 News.